at that journey over in that car.
Mama.
She's doing another dance. Journey is.
It's this virtual learning, y'all. ABC Mouse over here, and I don't know what Journey got going on over there, but it's a school laptop, which means it's school related. I love it. Dance around, jump around, get tired, take a nap, turn around, stretch it out. Y'all are like, honey, what is Journey doing? And then y'all see them with these hat wigs, y'all. They used to be mine, yeah. Y'all see, I used to rock it, yeah. Just put the hat on and go. But they theirs now, as you can see. Yep. They theirs now. And here come this one.
What